Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So alamin natin kung ano yung magiging gabay, advices ng The Keeper, the Fortune Telling card for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya to. Okay, so alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari, gabay, mensahe ng ating oracle for Pisces sa araw na ito. Okay? Reminder lang po na ito ay general reading. So, pwede pong mag-resonate sa'yo, Pisces. Pwede pong hindi. Okay? Pag hindi po magtugma, hindi po resonate sa'yo, huwag pong ipilit. Okay? And this is a timeless reading. So, kahit anong araw, buwan, o taon mo ito napanood, basta mag-resonate, basta magtugma, take lang. Okay? And welcome, welcome po ang lahat ng gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT man, ay pwede po sa lahat ng energy, feminine or masculine, ay pwede po sa lahat. Okay? So, ano po yung mensahe niyo po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Feeling ko you're dealing with someone, Pisces, or ikaw. Ito, naririnig or nafe-feel ko lang, Pisces. The moment na nag-intro ako ngayon, there is someone na merong gustong sabihin pero hindi masabi. It's like parang pinipigilan niya. Okay, there's something na urge na it's either gusto niyang mag-reach out, gusto niyang mag-confront, gusto niyang mag-confess, okay, or alam mo yun, gusto niyang i-voice out kung ano yung gusto niya sabihin sa'yo, pero parang pinipigilan niya, Pisces. Or ikaw to mismo, there is something na dinidil mo ngayon or someone na ganito yung gustong sabihin, pero parang pinipigilan mo kasi maybe there's a reason kung bakit pinigilan mo, parang ayaw mong mag-away kayo or something like ayaw mong magkagulo, ayaw mo nang parang nag-ano ka muna, parang nagtitimpi ka muna, parang ganon, okay? So, it's either this is your energy, Pisces, or you're dealing with someone na ganito yung nararamdaman, okay? So, sige, gamitin natin itong The Keeper, the Fortune Telling card. Ano pa po yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa araw na ito? Mga gabay, mensahe niyo po para kay Pisces sa araw na ito. There's a high honor. It's like a respect or something na parang nilagay sa pedestal, Pisces. Okay, it's like a priority, respect, parang ganon. And lovers, this person or you is parang, yun nga, parang naririnig ko yung word na pinapahalagahan. Okay? So, pwedeng ganon, pwedeng nagtitimpi siya or ikaw na parang gusto mong i-voice out, gusto mong sabihin, gusto mong mag-emotional dyan, gusto mong, alam mo yun, gumawa ng mga parang drama, not in a bad way, not in a toxic way. Parang gusto mo lang maglambing, okay? Or this person gusto nilang maglambing, bakit hindi ka nagte-text or bakit hindi mo siya tinitext, okay? Parang ganon, gusto lang ng assurance, okay? Pero ayaw lang siguro or parang hindi, wag muna. Kasi baka natatakot ka mag-away kayo, okay? And this person or you is nilagay nyo yung sitwasyon, relationship nyo into a pedestal. So, kumbaga, it's like a priority. It's like a important matter sa inyo. Okay? So, that's so good naman. Maganda yun. Pero kung meron ka nararamdaman, hindi mind reader yung karelasyon mo, Pisces, or ikaw, hindi ka mismo mind reader. So try to communicate to your person kung meron ka may nararamdaman. Pero, of course, wag madalas, alam mo yun, kasi para hindi alam mo yun, hindi magalit ba ito or something like parang mapuno, okay? Ilagay din sa tamang lugar. So, yung pagtitimpe, feel ko merong rason yun in a good way, okay? So, that's good actually. Pero, of course, wag pa rin kalimutang i-communicate yung kailangang i-communicate, yung kailangang sabihin, yung importanteng matter sa inyo, okay? Open communication, kumbaga. Sudden wealth. Oh, that's nice. It's like an abundance. Okay, swerte, kasiyahan. Alam mo yun, lahat ng Eto, dalawa to eh. It's love and money. Okay, so, or kung hindi naman money, it's like an abundance. You feel like abundant together with this person, or feel like you're lucky, or this person feels so lucky to have you. Parang ganon. So, yun, parang there's a big respect for your relationship together with this person. Kaya, parang ano siya, para siyang para siyang healthy relationship. Okay, a mature relationship na eto. Hindi na basta-bastang nag-aaway, hindi na basta-bastang gumagawa ng ah, cause para mag-away, parang ganun po, okay? And imprisonment. Yes, there's something na overthinking, mostly parang nakokontrol ng emosyon or something like thinking. Okay, so you're dealing with someone na pwedeng naririnig ko yung word na anxious. So, it's either you or you're dealing with someone na madalas, alam mo yun, mag-overthink, madalas mag-isip, madalas maraming iniisip and gusto niya sabihin, gusto niya ng assurance, gusto niya maglambing, or pwedeng ikaw to Pisces. Pero of course, pinipigilan mo yung sarili mo, pinipigilan niya yung sarili niya kasi ayaw niyang magka-cause ng problema. Okay? So, ganito yung nararamdaman ko dito. Okay? Bottom of the deck is false person. Yes, he is hiding his emotion, or you're trying to hide your emotion, you're trying to, alam mo yun, resist kung ano man yung sinabi ko kanina, Pisces, ganun yung definition nito. Okay? So, you feel so lucky to have this person, or this person feels so lucky to have you, especially meron tayo ditong sudden wealth. Yun nga, parang nagano siya, or ikaw na parang nag-overthink or something like anxious dahil of course ayaw niyong masira kung ano man itong relasyon na ito, kung ano man itong sitwasyon na ito, okay? So, it's like you're being protective but at the same time anxious, and you wanted to voice out, you wanted to open up sa karelasyon mo, pero parang pinipigilan mo para hindi kayo mag-away, hindi mag-cause ng, alam mo yun, tampuhan or anything, or this person is like he's trying to resist his or her emotion para hindi mag-cause ng, alam mo yun, na hindi kagandahang conversation. So, yeah, it's like a mature energy. It's like a mature relationship. But at the same time, huwag pa rin kalimutan po na nasabihin, open communication po dapat. Okay? So, ano pa? Kuha siguro tayo ng the Red Rose Oracle card. Sige, kuha tayo ng iba pang mensahe. Ano yung magiging gabay niya, other information with their person, Pisces. So, ano po yung mensahe niyo po, mga gabay, mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces, sa taong dinidil niyang ito, ano po yung sitwasyon nila. Oh, so you're in a, naririnig ko yung verge of separation. Okay, so, or you're in a currently separated to this person, or yun nga, parang ayaw mo mag-away kayo kasi feel mo baka mag-cause ito ng separation. Okay, so pwedeng ganito. And separation card is sadness and bitterness, missing you, thinking about you, or uncertain for future. So, it's either you're dealing with person eto, or kung nag-break kayo nito, in a separation, no contact kayong dalawa nito, this person or you wanted to communicate, wanted to break the no contact. Kumbaga, kung hindi ka nag-uusap ng taong to, gusto mo siyang kausapin, or itong taong to is gusto kanyang kausapin, okay? O kaso parang pinipigilan kasi merong iniisip na baka masaya na siya doon, baka ganito, baka hindi niya ako kakausapin. May mga ganong scenarios, okay? And also there's still love and appreciation to your person towards you. Okay? Or ikaw, ganun yung nararamdaman mo to this person. So, yeah, there's something na alanganin. So, it's either you're na separated to this person, or ganito yung feeling mong madudulot kung sasabihin mo kung ano yung nararamdaman, or mag-open up siya sa'yo. So, there's something na separation. Or there is someone na missing you, Pisces. Okay, kasi meron tayo ditong missing you, thinking about you. Okay, so ano pa po? Needing time, cycles and takes time to heal, progressing. Yes, it's like parang hinihintay niya yung perfect timing or hinihintay mo yung perfect timing or as I said, kung in a separation man kayo ng taong to, it takes time, okay? Hinihintay, there's something na waiting or there's something na parang nag-aano ng tamang oras, panahon, or hinihintay ka ng taong to na makipag-communicate ka sa kanya. Ayan no, ayan, Pisces, mask, ito siya is nakasuot ng mask. Ayan. So, there is someone na parang pretending, tinatago, resisting, okay, hiding true feelings, pretending and delude, gaslight, and personify. So feeling mo, this person is not, feel mo parang wala siyang pakialam sa'yo. Kumbaga, kung in a no contact separation kayo ng taong to, feeling mo parang wala na siyang pakialam sa'yo, parang hindi na siya, feeling mo parang wala na siyang nararamdaman sa'yo, pero hindi, Pisces. Namimiss ka ng taong to, gusto ka niyang i-communicate ka, so there's something na resistance, or pwedeng sa part mo to na there's something na resistance, and you're trying to resist yourself na wag, ayoko, hindi, baka masaya na siya doon, ganito, ganyan, okay? Or kung in a relationship naman kayo ng taong to, it's either he, she, or you, is like, tinitake time muna, okay? Hindi muna ngayon, ayaw ko munang kasi siguro kakaaway nyo lang, kakaano nyo lang, and ayaw mo namang mag-away kayo ulit, para pong ganun, take nyo lang kung saan po mag-resonate po, okay? And there's something na hiding, there's something na resisting, there's something na pretending, kumbaga. Okay, so kung ikakaayos naman, of course, it's a good thing, but at the same time, as I said, Pisces, kailangang maging open kayo sa isa't isa. Okay, kasi yung karelasyon mo is hindi naman mind reader, and also ikaw, hindi ka naman mind reader. So it's much better kung maging open, pero at the same time, hindi yung toxic na kumbaga kailangan mo na lang magduda every time, okay? And parang magagalit, of course, yung boyfriend, girlfriend, asawa mo kasi 'di ba parang paulit-ulit na lang. Pwede pong ganun, okay? So take nyo lang po kung saan po mag-resonate po. Marami po kasing parang possible na situation yun nandito. Pero alam ko, Pisces, na alam nyo na kung alin doon yung sitwasyon nyo po, okay? So, there's something na anxious. It's either you or you're dealing with person na posibleng natatakot ka mag-separate kayo or natatakot itong taong to na mag-separate kayo, or you're in a no contact, you're in a separation to this person, and this person is so missing you so much, thinking about you so much. And he, she, or you is waiting for the perfect time and resisting, pretending. Okay, pinipretend. Kumbaga, nagsusuot ng maskara na feeling mo walang pakialam sa'yo, pero andun, sobra, andun yung emotion, nag-uumapaw. Okay, so, ganun yung buod ng ating reading ngayon, Pisces. Okay, so, isang card pa po. Ano pa po yung message niya po for Pisces? Teddy bear. Oh, that is so cute. Interested in you, blooming romance, flirting, want to date. Yes. At sa likod ng maskara, Pisces, andun yung, alam mo yun, yung pag-ibig, okay? Yung pagmamahal, yung pag-miss ng taong to sa'yo. Okay, so as I said kanina, there is someone na pretending, it's either you or this person, or trying to resist kung ano man yung nararamdaman, okay? Kasi natatakot na baka merong ganito, ganyan, okay? So, ayoko nang ulitin yung mga nangyari or sinabi ko kanina, Pisces, okay? Pero this person feels so lucky to have you, okay? Or nakikita niya yung worth mo, or you feel so lucky to have this person, okay? And you love this person loves you and honor you, I respect you so much, okay? Pero hindi maiwasang merong anxious, merong overthinking, and it's either this is the situation. So, you have to take time, pahinga, anong tawag nito, palamig muna sa ulo, okay? And try to resist muna. Pero, wag pa rin kalimutan na i-open up, Pisces. Open communication dapat. Kasi, para hindi mawala itong spark na nandito, which is teddy bear. Okay? Bottom of the deck is death. The relationship is over. No second chances. Grow and transformation. What is dead? What's dead is dead. Ang bigat ng ano natin dito, Pisces. So, yes, feel ko you're in a pwedeng relationship or separation ng taong to. And, pwedeng ito yung ano niya, kung in a separation kayo ng taong to, feeling na hindi mo na siya mahal. Okay, or ikaw, pwedeng feel mo hindi ka na mahal ng taong to. So, andun yung parang, hindi na lang siguro kung mag-chat, parang ganun, okay? Or this person is, merong siyang gustong sabihin, namimiss ka ng taong to, pero feel niya parang, nag-move on ka na, parang ganun, okay? So, naghihintay, pero they're still holding on. There's something na hindi pa rin nakaka-move on, kasi meron tayo ditong clock. Needing time, trying to heal yourself, okay, and pretending, pero hindi pa rin mawala yung pagmamahal, yung feeling so lucky to have you to his life, her life, okay, and andun pa rin yung romance, andun pa rin yung interested pa rin siya sa'yo, andun pa rin yung parang meron ka pa rin puwang sa puso niya, Pisces, okay, and this person have a lot of respect on you. Okay? Or pwede pong vice versa. Pero ayun nga, feel ko itong imprisonment na nandito, itong anxious, overthinking, whatever na tumatakbo sa isipan, feel ko ganito. Okay? Maraming iniisip na hindi kagandahan. Okay? So, take nyo lang, Pisces, kung saan po mag-resonate po. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words, kung sino or ano po yung mga konektado for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya ito. Saglit lang po. Ayan. So, meron tayo ditong airplane, motor, letter D, barko. Oh! So, meron tayo ditong tatlong transportation, Pisces. Okay? I don't know kung bakit merong ganyan. Take nyo lang kung saan ito mag-resonate. D, W, and then offer, straight hair, trabaho, blonde, letter G, U, I, and then meron tayo ditong maliit ang ilong, kasal, okay, bahay, mabait, letter P, and letter T. Okay, so pwede pong nandyan, pwede pong wala, it's okay lang po. Okay, so pwede nandito, pwede pong wala, inulit ko lang. Okay, so yun po ang ating reading for Pisces sa araw na ito. Naway mag-resonate po. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and click the bell button, Pisces, para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay, so thank you, Pisces, and God bless!